Good morning, children. I hope you all have gone through the first video based on the chapter probability, and you must be knowing about all the terminologies which we had discussed in our previous class. Today I'll be discussing a few examples based on probability. So the first example is find the probability of getting a number less than 5 in a single throw of a die. I hope you all are well aware about what is die means. In the previous class, I have shown you the picture about a die which you use to play a Ludo game. So die has 6 faces, isn't it? So they're asking a probability of getting a number less than 5 in a single throw of a die. So you are throwing only once and you need the probability of number less than 5. So first of all, you need to write all the possible outcomes less than 5 and then finding the probability using the empirical formula, that is the experimental probability. So possible outcomes here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and favorable outcome is getting a number less than 5, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So P of getting less than 5 is total number of possible outcome is 4 here, so the probability is 4 by 6, which is 2 by 3. This is your final answer. At any time when I go to the solution, make sure that you pause the video, try solving by yourself and then check in the solutions. Question number 2. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of drawing first an ace, 2 of a spades and 10 of a black suit. The question is based on cards. So I hope you all are aware about the number of cards in a in a pack of cards. I mean, in a pack, their total number of cards are 52. So 52 cards are divided into 4 suits. The first suit is called as club. Next is called as spades. Third one is diamond. And fourth is hearts. So these 4 suits, out of these 4 suits, the first 2 suits, this one, clubs and spades, they are black cards. And these 2 diamonds and hearts are the red cards. All are numbered from 1 to 10, and after 10 we have 3 face cards. The face cards are named as Jack, Queen and King. 3 face cards in each. I mean 3 face cards of clubs, 3 face cards of spades, 3 face cards of diamond and 3 face cards of hearts. So they are asking 2 of spades. So number of spades will be 13 if you divide 52 into 4 equal parts. So 13 cards of spades, 13 of clubs, 13 of diamond and 13 of hearts. Out of these 13, 10 are numbered cards and 3 are the face cards. So 2 of spades. How many spades are there? 13. So number 2 should come of spades. So what are the possible outcomes of getting spades? You can pause the video, try the answer by yourself, and the answer will be discussed now. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. An ace is drawn. Number of possible outcomes is 52. Number of favorable outcome is 4. So P of drawing an ace is 4 by 52. That is 1 by 13. So that question is, first of all, an ace. I just read it wrong here. It was the second question, 2 of spades. The first question was an ace. Ace is the first card, okay. Ace is the first card like A here, and then the second card is number 2 card, the number 3, number 4, so on. It goes till number 10. So the first card is not numbered as number 1, remember. You will not see a card where number 1 is written. It will be written A. A means ace card, okay. And remaining question number 2 and 3, 10 of a black suit and 2 of a spades, you do by yourself and you can answer the question of this particular content in your virtual classrooms, okay. Number third question. 17 cards numbered 1, 2, 3 till 17 it is numbered are put in a box and mixed thoroughly. One person draws a card from the box. Find the probability that the number on the card is odd number, a prime number, divisible by 3, divisible by 3 and 2 both. That means divisible by 6. Okay. So now tell me, you have got the number 1 to 17. Let me discuss it here first of all. Out of 1 to 17, first of all, take out all the odd numbers. Okay, take out all the odd numbers, because the first question is they're asking the number probability of getting a card, and the number should be odd numbers, isn't it? And second one is a prime, and third question is divisible by 3, and the fourth is divisible by 3 and 2 both. Looking at the answer here, the number on the card is odd is, let's see, total number of favorable outcomes 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. These are the odd numbers. So total number of favorable outcome is 9 here. So P of getting odd number on the card is 9 by 17. Similarly, you can go for a prime also. I hope you all know what is a prime number. Let me repeat again the definition. A prime number is that number which has only two factors, the number 1, okay, the number 1, that is 1, and the number itself. Like for example, 2 is a prime number, that is also an even number. So 2 has got only two factors, that is 1 and the number 2 itself. Similarly, 3, 1 and 3 itself. 5 like that. Okay, so I hope you can solve the remaining question also. Second, third and fourth you can solve by yourself, and we can discuss in virtual class. Next example is question number 4, that is a die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting an even number. Again, the die question. The first question you have seen the dice problem. Same here also. You have to find first of all an even number, probability of getting an even number. So you have the outcomes as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the possible outcomes. The favorable outcome for even number is 2, 4 and 6. How many are there? You have got 3 here. So 3. So probability of getting an even number is 3 by 6. That is 1 by 2. Alright. Similarly, you can go with second, number third. Solve it and then get back with your answers in your virtual class. Again, we have next question. A bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. This question is a little different here. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball, find the number of blue balls in the bag. Okay, so here some kind of algebraic expressions are required because something is unknown here. So we'll be using some variable. So variable can be used as x for blue balls. Okay, so because we know about the red balls, number of red balls are 5 here, and some blue balls they are talking about. So we can assume that let the number of blue balls be x, and then we proceed with the answers. Just try to go with the answers. The solution is let the number of blue balls be x. The number of red balls is already given, which is 5. P of drawing a blue ball, that is x upon 5 plus x, and P of drawing a red ball, that is 5 upon 5 plus x. How is that possible? So we need to check on the next part of the question, that is if the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball. Okay, find the number of blue balls in the bag. The probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball. It is already given. Okay, so if you see here class, P of drawing a blue ball, that means what? Number of blue ball is x upon total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes means what? 5 plus x together, total number of balls. So 5 plus x. The same thing is written here also. And drawing a red ball means what? Number of possible outcomes is 5. So 5 upon 5 plus x. And the last part of the question was, it was twice. Probability of drawing a blue ball is twice than the red ball. So 2 multiplied by, this is the blue ball from here, and this is twice of the red ball, that is 5 upon 5 plus x. After solving, that is just a linear equations in one variable. After solving and transposing the constants and variable to one side, you will get x equals to 10. So this one is the final answer. So we have done 5 examples in today's class, today's online live video recording session, and the same thing you'll get on your e-content, and you can try out more questions from the same exercise that is on probability. And if you face any kind of problem, you can always ask in the virtual classroom. Okay, that's all class. You all have a great day. Thank you.